All right, so today going to be working on getting some of these pine logs over to the mill to get dimensional lumber for the solar kiln. Really going to focus on 8-foot and 16-foot lengths, and I'm going to go ahead and mill true 2x4s just to get a little additional structural integrity, if you will. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that.
Here he is, sitting on a broken stool. Here he is, hoping that he's not a fool. Here he is, looking at his future as if he already had it in his hands. Sometimes I think so hard my fingers bleeding. Sometimes I look so hard for what I need. Hold on to what I really believe of. I'll play my songs, but nobody is listening. Are you listening? Listen to this. And I believe. Sometimes I want to be a billionaire, and sometimes I hope that I do not care about that. Hold on to what I really believe of. I'll play my songs, nobody is listening. Are you listening? Listen to this. Here I am, standing on a broken stool, skipping stones, crossing empty pool, thinking thoughts that I never thought were mine, checking ground and checking my time. Sometimes I want to be a billionaire, and sometimes I hope that I do not care about that. Hold on to what I really believe of. I'll play my songs, but nobody is listening. Are you listening? Listen to this. Be a billionaire, and sometimes I hope that I do not care about that. Hold on to what I really believe. I'll play my songs, what I believe. Sometimes I think so hard my fingers bleed, and sometimes I look that I hope what I need. Hold on to what I really believe. I'll play my songs, but nobody is listening.
Just wanted to give you a quick little update on the on how the dimensional lumber is going for the solar kiln. Moving along. I'm actually gonna need a few more logs to complete my number. I estimated I needed about 50 pieces total. I'm probably maybe 3/4 of the way there. But have one more 16-foot log up there to cut. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull some more logs and see if we can wrap up all this dimensional lumber for the solar kiln.
It's quiet around me again. Don't miss the way that 2 hands on 2 shoulder blades, black horse to complain. It's snowing around me again. Snow is louder than rain. No faces around. Could I be lost in this town? I turned around to a stranger in the aisle. My supermarket smile. I try to be good. I try to look all the way down. I'll be better when I'm gone. I'll be better when I'm gone. One step and my thoughts come out of me. What more of my thoughts begin to lead? I'll step ahead of you. What face for the price of all the ways? What way to tilt the other scales? I'll step ahead of you, and you step ahead of me. I'll think about you while the sun wouldn't quit to shine. I'll think about you, the middle would not unwind. I'll paint the picture along the road. I'll paint the picture, the rest of you untold. Unknown and unknown and unknown, the rest of you unknown. What time love becomes our lives, some mean pieces over time. Find me who when I'm chasing through plain thoughts, running after you. I'm tripping over her to pick you over me, over me, over me, to pick you over me. Find me who when I'm chasing through plain thoughts, running after you. I'm tripping over to pick you over me, over me, over me, to pick you over me, over me, over me, to pick you over me. What time love becomes our lives, some mean pieces over time. Find me who when I'm chasing through plain thoughts, running after you. I'm tripping over her to pick you over me, over me, over me, to pick you over me, and I pick you over me.
All right, so we're here, about to wrap up all this dimensional lumber. One more log to go. That's gonna be some extra 16 2x4s. So gonna go ahead and get that on the mill, get that cut up, and then hopefully we'll be finished.
starting to bleed on down my back. And I pushed on out into the street, and I began to see everything was black. Broke on through the window tile, broken pieces of the sky were on the ground. Broken from the cornerstones of the buildings and the thrones I never knew were there. 'Cause I will never be the same, and I will never be like you again and again and again, again. I will never be the same, and I will never be like you, and I will never be like you again and again and again, again. Through the window tile, broken pieces of the sky were on the ground. Broken from the cornerstones, the buildings and the thrones I never knew were on the ground.
All right, I think that pretty much wraps up all the dimensional lumber. Give you a quick look at it here. Have a whole different varying sizes under the sawmill here. This first stack, true 2x4 by 16s, and then 10s, 8s, 7.5s, little miscellaneous. But I think that should definitely be enough and give me a little wiggle room if I make any bad cuts along the way to get all the framing done. So that's that. One more step done to